Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Mngomezulu. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for joining. Thank you very much. Even though imvula iyanetha bafethu, let's hope my video is clear from this noise yemvula. Now on this particular video njengoba bengishilo ukuthi bekusuku lo mngcwabo, the funeral yaka omunye wabammeli odlulile emhlabeni Adv Thulani Mngomezulu. Omunye abantu abakhulumile lapha or ngithi abanye abantu abakhulumile ngama colleagues wakaAdv Thulani Mngomezulu, Adv Teffo Malesela no Adv Sipho Ramosepele. And yeah, I think ngizodonsa leyo clip sizweni ukuthi bakhulume bathini ke emngcwabeni ke we colleague yabo, something like that. So kulama video azolandela ngizondonsela nje lawo ma clips into ebisenzeka lapha emsebenzini ke we like the funeral yaka Adv Thulani Mngomezulu. Let's just go and watch Sipho Ramosepele no Adv Teffo. I think Teffo is the former advocate when it comes to the sense of Maywa made a trial, if I'm not mistaken. Why I think Puma something like that, and then he was replaced by Sipho Ramosepele. If I'm not lying, Buffett, because sometimes ngiyalandelela a court case, sometimes ngilandelela kodwa it was Teffo no babu Sipho Ramosepele. Now let us just go and watch what happened there.
To salute amongst ourselves, Adv Sipho present here. In fact, it will be unfair if I stand here because I'm standing in the shoes of Adv Sipho. I stepped into his shoes when he left the case. So it is prudent and proper that he stands among the people that are here now. I also like to pass my apologies. I stand here on behalf of the following advocates. Advocate Mshonolo, Advocate Munisi, Advocate Numalo, Advocate Munyeti, our candidate, Ms. Naledi Lusaka. I stand on behalf of our presiding judge in our matter. He passes his condolences to the family. Baholo Akakalemeng, that's one of the solo Holuditeko. For court, we are called adversaries. In life, we are human beings. So I'm not happy the judge gave him. He passes his condolences to the family as a human being. I also pass my condolences from the team of prosecutors, Advocate Zalo, Advocate Kibanda. I also pass my condolences from the chief of interpreters who's here, the court staff, everybody that Mr. Mngomezulu has interacted with at court. Mngomezulu can bear testament. He was well liked in court. He was well liked in the public. So we celebrate him sonke without sekete abanye abantu. I'm not really speaking, but I'll speak the truth. I stand here for the truth. Now we stand here today. We are coming here to celebrate and to say farewell to a departed soldier, warrior, a justice of the peace, a fighter for the downtrodden, and a good lawyer. I've known Adv Mngomezulu since 2010 or around that period when we used to meet in the magistrate court around Jamestown, Johannesburg, Randburg, Rodiport. And we had a rapport together And when necessity came that I'm tired, I need somebody to come and assist so that we can cruise the Senzo Mewa case together, the first name that came up was him. And when I went to him, I remember it was a Saturday morning, I said, Bekhona, I'm doing 1 and 2. Accused number 1 and 2. Can you come and assist? I said, exactly. I'm following this case. In fact, the case is not going to be postponed. Come Monday, I'm running with the case. That's how Advocate Mngomezulu, Mr. Mngomezulu came into this case. And we have been working with Advocate Mngomezulu until his untimely sickness and departure. And we are here to celebrate his life.
Umfundisi nakazongithethisa kusasa ngizolanda nina.
Viva the spirit of Tagata, viva! Viva the spirit of Tagata, viva! Long live TJ, long live! Abashwe TJ, abashwe! The war is to begin, TJ, the war is to begin. Sister D, this is the beginning of the end. I give a job on a different to the pensive party. This is the lion sleeping here. The lion is sleeping here. The war is going to start. Not yet. When he exits, I get in. I was a nonsense to the family of Mngomezulu. People thought I was in jail. I was in the structure, seemed to be jail in Sun City. But I was talking with the TJ every night. So I was a bit of disturbance. But it's not by default. It's by the Spirit of God. The lion sleeping here is my role model. It's my empower. It's my energy. It's my power rate. I can say today, the justice system of South Africa without TJ is poor. This was what the giant in the law fraternity. You are not lost, Sister D. Be empowered. This is a life worth to be celebrated. Let's celebrate this life. The war is going to start now. It's the beginning of the war. Viva the spirit of Tagata, viva.